Hello and welcome to the database that I've been working on for the past 2 weeks. This database is an extension to the application that I built for the last sprint, Silver Lining. And I went ahead and did my database with Firebase, which is a NoSQL approach compared to what I was originally going to do with Supabase. But instead, Firebase is a very JSON-based database. And so we'll go ahead and get into that a little bit. So first off, we have authentication. We store all of the user's important data, their user ID, their email, and then I know it's stored somewhere with Google, but the hash of the password. And then here are the tables that I've created. I have users, and then we're going to see posts pop up as soon as I make a post. I just deleted it for test purposes. But here is what I mean. It's very JSON based. So instead of relational tables, then we have JSON with everything. And user ID is something in SQL where you'd only want one of it. You wouldn't want it to be redundant. But this could be stored in multiple different places, and Firebase actually embraces that. And then I ended up setting image storage up. And so images can be stored. So far, what we're seeing right here is different users because each user has a profile picture, so it's going to be stored inside of that. And so I'll go ahead and hop in the Expo app and show you how in real time this database is being built. Alright, so here we are on the authentication page. What we're going to do is we're just going to sign up with an email. We could call it Hello World. That's very terrible spelling. We'll call it that. We'll use the strong password that Apple gives us, and we will sign up. And so, no, we won't save it. Now, I want every user to have their first name, last name, and username, so we'll go ahead and fill that out. B Wilson 1337. And then before I submit it, I have all of the information get sanitized so there's no possible injection attacks, and that a user name isn't longer than a certain amount, and first names can't have numbers. And so we also need to choose a profile image. So we can either take a photo or choose a photo. For the sake of it, we'll just take a photo. That's close enough to the face. So we'll use that photo, and then we'll press create account. And what this is going to do is, okay, my navigation hook is broken right now, but that doesn't mean that it didn't store into my database. So I'm just going to reload the app, and here we are. We're at the feed page. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this profile picture. But here is our profile picture that it's stored. And there's no posts yet. But so we'll go ahead and create a post. We'll take a picture right there. And we'll use that as our post. This is great. We'll say that. We'll submit the post. It's loading. There we go. Post has been submitted, and we have queried it and put it into our post feed. And we'll also go ahead and reload Firebase so that you can see post. It's made right here. We got all of our JSON data in here. And then if you want to sign out, since it's currently I have it so authentication is persistent, and so every time you open the app, it's going to keep you logged in. But say you do want to sign out, you press this red button up here, and we are back to the auth page. And so now that we have our database built a little more, then I'll go ahead and show you storage. So we got images, and we go back. I don't remember the user ID Okay, I think it's BQRB. And we'll go storage, BQRB. We have the post. So here's the image that we submitted for the post. And then go back and we have our profile photo. So that is my database that I have been working on. And I hope that you have enjoyed learning about it.